Max, what did you think about your oatmeal experience? Did you like it? Really? Okay, so would you do it again? Yeah. Whoa. Which do you prefer better? The rice or the oatmeal? Oh. And what do you think of Tiger Woods? Are you surprised? Really? So, do you want more oatmeal then? Okay. You seem to still like it. Is the finger licking good? I must say, I can't wait till you try other stuff now. Whew. I hope you sleep tonight. Your feet are even going crazy. Oh, you're cuckoo for oatmeal.